Guys, you are staying with a man who earns a salary every month, but you don't know his pay slip. You understand it? Most of the men, those men who are keeping secret, they don't want their wives to know how much they earned every month. Those men, they have got many baby mamas, but they don't want to tell you that they have got a lot of support out there. You understand it? You are asking yourself why that man, he at end of the month, you understand it? He gets a salary, but in 2 3 days he doesn't have a cent, because he have got a lot of support and he doesn't want to show you his salary. You understand? His pay slip, or you don't even know his pin for the bank card. You understand? You don't even know the pin. Those men, they have got a lot of baby mamas out there. You understand? They've got a lot of support, so they don't want you to know, because some guys nowadays, men, they don't want their women. Guys, you are staying with a man, but you don't know how much he earned every month. You understand? You don't even know his salary. Sometimes, guys, he can buy grocery for you